Today, we will talk about what inside sales is and how it works. Inside sales refers to selling products or services through phone, email, or the internet. Sales reps stay indoors, often at a call center or company office. Inside sales can be contrasted with outside sales, where people physically meet potential customers. Inside salespeople traditionally don't travel but are proactive in contacting potential customers and may engage in cold calling. The advent of the telephone created the distinction between inside and outside sales, with inside sales reps being highly trained, creative, and determining a sales strategy. Sometimes inside and outside sales personnel work together for greater efficiency. Purchasing goods and services online or by phone is popular among consumers, making inside sales an important aspect of business. The convergence of inside and outside sales is aided by new sales facilitating technologies and changing customer buying habits. This has led to a new moniker for inside sales, sales in the cloud. Inside sales reps often earn a modest base salary with sales commissions and bonuses. The job can often be done remotely or from home. Salary differences among companies can vary greatly. According to Payscale.com, the median base salary for an inside sales representative is about $45,000, with differences varying among companies. Inside sales relies on an indoors sales force to market and sell the company's products or services online or over the phone, while outside sales instead rely on in-person meetings and physical interaction. Telemarketing is just one aspect of inside sales, which encompasses a broader range of sales and marketing tools and techniques, including social media marketing, mobile marketing, search engine optimization, and customer relationship management. Inside sales involves selling products and services from behind a desk using the telephone, email, and other online methods. With the growth of e-commerce, inside sales involving social media and driving web-based traffic has become a priority for many companies, including legacy brick-and-mortar retailers. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. An inside sale is the sale of products or services made by personnel who reach customers by phone or online. 2. Outside sales would instead rely on in-person meetings and physical interaction. 3. Inside and outside sales may be paired for greater efficiency, where they assist each other in tasks, such as lead generation, to increase sales. 4. Purchasing goods and services online or by phone is increasingly popular among consumers. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.